Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is really sad. As you can tell by the title, yes, my dog has died. She usually, I loved her so much, but today was the day where she had to go. So, I just wanted to make this video, and, I'm gonna show you my dog, and also, yes, the one who died. Her name was Breezy. Today is the worst day of my life. They had to put her down because, she had fluids in her stomach or something, and, I don't know which kind of fluids, but I think the people said, hold on, she says, the dog, Breezy, she actually, okay, I'm explaining this so wrong. Hold on, let me think of it. Okay, she just came into the living room. Right now I'm in my room, but she came into the living room, and she usually responds to, Mama's, do you want to go for a ride? And in fact, Mama's is her nickname. And my dad said Mama's want to go for rides a couple of times, and she never responded, but and my dad said, are you hungry? And she didn't respond either, and she just, stared at the wall. And then, my dad heard her, breathe heavily, as if she needed a ton of air. She went, and like that, and she, kept doing that, and, it was just bad. So we had to go to the vet, see what was wrong with her, and then this is when they figured out she had the fluid in her stomach, and I told my mom her stomach looked big. She didn't really see it, but the stomach big thingy, whatever, was the fluid. So, my dad, he stayed home to watch Sugar, my other dog. Sugar and Breezy were sisters. And so after we went to the vet and that stuff, when the doctors went to go take the fluid out, her heart stopped. And then they gave her like this medicine thingy or whatever, and to make her heart go again, and that worked. But her heart, after a while, her heart stopped again. And that's when she died. But at least she's in a better place. I can hardly see. Okay, there we go. I'm crying all over. If you can see that, my hand is wet. Right. I bet you guys can see it. Yeah, it's that drop right there. And we decided to take her home and bury her in our backyard. But then, the doctors gave us a couple of choices by, like, to remember her, we could have got, like, her paw print. I don't know how they would have done it, like a paw print in stone. I think they might have, like, took clay or something. I don't know. It's not really stone, but I wonder if they, like, took clay and put her paw print